It is a double shot kind of a day today. I've got 2 days before the wet weather kicks in again, and I really want this as dry as possible. So I've got to finish the wall, I've got to put the top beam for the gable on, and then I'm going to try and get as many of the rafters across as I can. I don't have the roof panels. What I am going to do though is I'm going to wrap it in that blue stuff so that hopefully by the end of the weekend I have what probably looks like a very big blue tent, but that should keep everything dry until I get the cladding on the outside and the roof on, and we have got like a hard structure. So crack on. Time for the last wall. But first, let's do a little montage. The finished product. Okay, it's time to head up. Got to start the roof. This will begin with the gable beam. It's a little bit tricky. I've done the math on it. Just to be sure, I've run it past the boss, and he's given it his blessing. So let's get that ladder and go up. And that, my friends, is the gable beam. This is about to become the first roof beam. Go across here. If I get this right, it's going to be my template for all the other ones. If I get it right on the first time. So satisfying. No rain yet. I still have another day. tarps out. I was hoping to put it on the roof, not on the floor. The ducks are docking. This is fun. Ta-da! A roof. It's only temporary, but it should keep most things dry. And now we have some walls. Kind of. And this is my big blue tent. And now I've just got to hope that it doesn't blow away this week. Should be okay. And that's me again for a little while. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.